If your Valorant is stuck updating while checking the file size, you need to first restart Riot client and end processes. So completely close the Valorant application and the Riot client if it's running in the background. Open Task Manager. If you see any Valorant Riot client or processes, go ahead and right-click on it and select End Task option. Now restart your device and also open the Run command by entering the Run plus R on your keyboard. A Run dialog box will appear. Enter %local app data hit enter on your keyboard. Now navigate to packages, find Riot games and then go to Riot client and delete the cache folder. Also go back to Valorant folder and delete its cache folder as well. After you've done that, you can need to check the Riot Vanguard services. So open the run command and enter services.msc. Hit enter on your keyboard. Find the VGC option. Right-click on it and select Properties. Ensure that the startup type is set to automatic or manual. Confirm that the service status is running, and if not, click on Start and then click on Apply and then OK. Right-click on the VGC again and click on Restart. You can also repair the Valorant files by right-clicking on the Riot client, click on Settings and select Valorant, then select Start Repair. Allow the client to verify and repair the game files, and you'll see successfully repaired messages upon completion. After that, you can also check the disk space and scan drive. Go ahead and find the drive where the Valorant is installed, then select it. Then select its properties. Go to the Tools tab. Now under Error Checking, click on Check or Scan Drive. Follow the prompts to scan and fix any drive errors. And after completing these steps, restart your device one more time. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.